All right, 2 ounces of Old Tom style gin.
Perfect.
An ounce of Martini Rosso.
I'm going to get a little whiff of the Old Tom here.
See, the theory is that people called a martini because it had martini vermouth in it. And if you go to Italy and order a martini, you're likely to get a glass of vermouth.
Oh, right.
That sounds
That
horrible.
explains a lot of the drinks I got in Europe.
And you would be disappointed if you did not like a glass of vermouth over a gin base.
That would be me.
It's a lovely color so far.
It is.
Oh, and now you're going to put some cherry liqueur. That's going to be nice red color.
It will be perfectly clear, as you well know. Just a teaspoon of it, or a 1/4 ounce.
All right.
Which this happens to have on it, which is a handy measurement to have. See if you can get your jiggers in the smallest possible sizes. And 2 dashes of bitters. Angostura. You know them because them's the folks with the bad fitting label. On purpose.
Yeah, so that you can tell them apart in the crowd.
Whoops. There we go. Most of it's on Dave's table.
Oh, that's okay. It's also red. Yeah, that's a stain, so I'd be careful if I were you.
Does it really?
Yeah.
And look at these beautiful little cubes that we
they're
have
the
here.
perfect size.
Dave is famous for his tiny cubes. He keeps them in his tiny cubicle. And one more for good measure, because we're going to stir this up with our little spoon here.
I noticed in the last couple of podcasts, you've done pretty lengthy stirring of the drinks. And I'm just wondering, will this also be a lengthy stir? Or?
It says to only do it for 15 seconds.
All right.
I think you should do as long a stir as you can, because glass, Fred will know this, glass is a bugger of a thing to chill.
Sure.
Yes.
Stainless steel is easier to chill, right?
That's right. Yeah, it's all to do with the specific heat. So it's the amount of energy that it takes to change the temperature of a certain object. So every like wood requires a lot more than like stainless steel. That's right. And that's why you use. You don't use steel wool to insulate your house.
Wow.
I do, and
It's chilly or very hot all the time. Yeah.
All right.
So you've stirred.
I've stirred. I will now give each of you roughly some of it.
Wow, that sounds very. You are a professional. That sounds very specific.
It's a lovely looking drink. If I was a drinking man, and I'm not, but I was, I would be in on that. And look at that. See how nice that looks? There's only one thing that would maybe make that look just a little bit nicer.
Yeah.
And we're going to put a little twist of lemon on there for you
You're gonna
guys.
get your zester.
My Chanel tool.
Oh, all right.
Zoe Deschanel?
That's right. This was given to me by the Deschanel sisters. It's engraved.
Yeah.
I would, and it says twist a strip of lemon peel over the top and drop it in. So I've done a very small little twist here. So I'll just give it a little there, and in it goes. And in the other one here, we will come off with this.
Yeah.
Whoops, I want a longer one than that.
Can't have too many pictures. Too many photographers.
Spoil the soup. And twist that in there. And there we go.
Oh, I should come over and get a drink.
You should come over and get a drink. This is called the Martinez, the grandfather of all cocktails. Finally.